Hi, happy baby. You're being awfully happy this morning.
Yeah, for having such a bad night. He's having such a bad night.
Da. You say hi. Oh, you look like you're starting to get a little frustrated. What you getting frustrated about, huh? You want to show everybody how good you are at this game? Look. See, look.
Where'd that red onion go? Oh, you used it already.
Yep. Good job. Good job. Get that last one. Oh, you can do it. Good job. You want to do it again? You want to do it again?
Jeez.
She's like, as soon as you open them, she's like, I'm on it.
She was at 2 in a row.
I'm on it.
Oh, look on the left hand. Oh, and it played with the left.
Oh, you forgot one. Oh, good job. Okay, let's do it again. Let's do it again. What? You gotta let me open all of them.
Now Mary Alice should learn to close them.
You mean open them?
Yeah, I mean open them.
Good job. Good job. You gonna get it? You are so determined. Oh, good job. Look, there's still one open. Good job. Oh, yeah, the canola oil. I used it all.